everybody, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Another photography and also car related video here on my channel. Today, as always, I feel like because it is car season, we're doing another cruise in. This is actually for the Butler Lions Club. This is a little cruise in we have going on. My husband and I's 1955 Pontiac Chieftain, so that will go. My sister-in-law is actually driving, you can't see it, but it's behind me a little bit, and it's our 83 Malibu wagon, and I will be driving our 06 Trailblazer SS. So we're bringing 3 cars just for Josh and I pretty much, and I'm gonna take y'all along. As always here, I feel like I've done 3 or 4, maybe more cruises since we've been back, which has not been a bad thing at all, and I'm so happy that we are back into car show routines. Anyways, let's go see what all cars are there and what photos I can capture. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Stay tuned for any upcoming photos here in this video and also any videos here on my channel. God bless.